There is nothing quite like sitting behind the wheel of the most well-known Jeep ever built. Let's be honest, no one buys a Wrangler for a smooth ride and poised handling. If you're looking to buy a Wrangler, it's because you at least harbor tendencies of wanting to drive over things. This all-terrain vehicle is not only what you want, it is what you need. Take it off-road, and you'll be impressed at how easily the Wrangler eats up terrain. Swing on by and take a test drive in this rugged machine today. Visit our dealership,